Hi guys, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. In this, every week we'll be giving you development challenges to give you hands-on experience on coding to impress skills in coding. So this is Weekend Dev Challenge 53 and let's begin with the project 1. So the first project is basically BMI and Health Metrics API. So this is .NET project and basically we need to build a calculator which calculates the BMI and the health metrics of whatever the user is given of that input, and we have to build this API. So what is the objective? It is basically to expose a get method endpoint using query parameters, validates incoming height and weight values. So it should validate the height and weight values. It should check if the height and weight values are proper, and calculates BMI using standard medical formula. Categorizes BMI into medical classifications. We have different categories of the BMI, and return the standardized JSON responses. All right. So first we have the workspace where we are working is basically health metrics, and then in that controllers. So you can see in the health metrics API we are working in the controllers. So then we are inheriting a BMI controller from the controller base. So basically we are inheriting the BMI controller, and now we have to this is the method which gives the output, and this is the method for calculate BMI is a method, and then it takes values from the user query. From the query, take the height and the weight values. Now, to validate the input, it should check if the height is less than or equal to 0 and weight is less than or equal to 0. If it is true, then it says bad request, height and weight must be greater than 0. Now, after that we have the main calculation of the BMI. So height in meters is basically height divided by 100. Then BMI is weight by height into height in meters, height in meters into height in meters, basically weight by height square. Then we have to round the BMI into 2 decimal places. So then we have an empty string which is category, and then we check for the BMI. If the BMI is less than 18.5, it says underweight. If it is greater than less than 25, it says normal. If it is less than 30, it says overweight, or else it says obese if it is more than 30. And then after that we have to return the JSON response, which is basically BMI, which is the rounded BMI, and then the category, which is the selected category from here. So let me run the program now. So you can see the height it is asking, I'll give 178, and then I'll give weight to be around 67 kgs. So yeah, you can see it get 21.15, which is normal BMI, which is less than 25, more than 18.5, which is normal. So yeah, let me submit the program. So test case have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.